Today I'm going to the McDonald's, get some McBreakfast. Got I think 20 minutes until the breakfast menu closes, so it's close by anyway. Oh fuck. That was not supposed to happen. Okay, so I take a little bit of the bicycle path here, because otherwise I would have had to go on the highway, and I'm not gonna do that. And it's just the tiniest little bit here. So we go right back on the road, and there the McDonald's is already. The Mcdrive's open, right? I think so.
Goedemorgen, mag je bestelling?
Goedemorgen, mag ik zo'n McMuffin beef and egg?
Ja.
En een frappé mokka?
Ja, anders nog iets?
Nee, dat was hem.
Mag je door uit het eerste raam?
Top, dank je. Yes, stop. Hey, goeiedag, dank je. Yes, dankjewel. Nee, dat is goed zo. Yes, dank je, fijne dag. Open the bag. Very windy. On the way back though, you will get you'll get the wind in your back, so you get some extra speed. So that's good. But for now, it sucks. Really windy. There's a bit of sand actually, it's nice. Let's see. A little bit of a drift. I think on the left side, here you've got the water. park it like this here. Yeah. Yeah, you get the view there. I don't know why they closed this like this, but I think it's good like this. You're a bit closed off. Alright, well, I'm just gonna enjoy the food, and after that I'm gonna explore a little bit more around here.